here at SLE Equipment, located in Nashville, Tennessee. Today we're going to look at the Husqvarna TS354XD garden tractor with a 26 horsepower Kohler engine. You can find this garden tractor as well as others on our website at sleequipment.com. As you can see here, we have the Husqvarna model TS354XD garden tractor. This is a consumer unit. As you can see, this unit comes with a brush guard located here in the front. This guard is used to help protect the front of the unit from getting close to any bushes or getting scratches on the front of the unit. As you can see here, underneath the hood is located with your engine. Again, it is a 26 horsepower Kohler engine, 7000 series. Also located underneath the hood is your battery. Of course, your oil and oil filter is all done here as well. Located on this side, as well as your gas filter. This unit comes with LED lights as well, located here in the front. Control panels located here on the front. Excuse me, right here by the driver's wheel. As you can see, your hour meter, which is located there, it is digital. Also, your throttle is located here on the left, and the switch here is for your LED headlights. Your PTO switch is located here. This unit also has cruise control, which is located there. Your parking brake for this unit is located here. And this unit also comes with a 12-volt battery charger located here on the left. And also, this unit has locking differential. It's that switch right here, as well as your ignition switch is located there. Cutting heights on this unit is from 1 inches to 3.5 inches. Your height lever is located here on the left hand side. Also on this side as well is your gas tank. This unit holds up to 4 gallons of gas. You have a viewfinder located here in front of the front seat. It shows you how much gas is in the unit. On this unit you have a standard seat with armrest, as you can see here. The cutting deck on this unit is 54 inches. It is a fabricated cutting deck. It's real strong and durable. Have your plastic grass chute as well. This unit also has greasable spindles. There are 3 on this unit. Again, this is a residential unit. It has locking differential, which is great for mowing on hills. Again, this is the Husqvarna model TS354XD. If you have any further questions, please give us a call. The number is 615-641-7720, or you can reach us on our website at sleequipment.com.